to our channel.
The Unidenticals. I'm Lahari.
I'm Lavanya and we make videos related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe us and do also follow us on Instagram. The link is in our description.
And welcome to the Diwali series. And we're going to upload 7 videos on these days, which are all going to be related to jewelry, fashion, dressing up, makeup looks and lot many more.
So our first video for Diwali series is today's video, and what it is?
It is jewelry haul, and I think most of you guys are really excited because it's all about jewelry, and who doesn't love jewelry. So basically it's an Amazon jewelry haul because most of the products are from Amazon except 2 of them are not from Amazon. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. We have so we have a lot of stuff, as you can see. So bring the first one. So the first one is by Vane, and okay, now let's see what we have in this. Yes. First of all, I love the packaging. Like this comes in this dabba and
With a lot of protection. I think I just love the packaging.
The impression got even more is because of the packaging.
And these are the earrings.
So these are the earrings by Vane, and these are like the round ones. What are these called? Like coin, something like that. But look at that. I think these were for like $199.
Okay, we don't know the prices. We will include the prices somewhere or here.
Yeah, on
because we don't know the price exactly.
So,
and I think they amp up any look.
And they come with extra, like the holders, the stopper, and yeah, these are the earrings. So these are the earrings, and these come with this pearl detailing on all the sides with like mint and red hints with golden one as well. And there is and here is an uncut stone work.
Meenakari work.
Yeah, Meenakari.
It's called Meenakari work.
And this
is absolutely beautiful.
I love them. Like I've been wanting them since so long.
So all the links will be included in the description. You guys can go and check it out there. Okay, so going with the second product that is from Ubella. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh my god!
Like, these
are my favorite. Okay, these are the earrings which come with an ear chain. Let me show you.
And these are, I think they were like
near to 300.
Yeah, like
but these are
390.
Yeah,
or something
but these
like
are very beautiful. Look at that.
Wow,
oh
they
my
look
god.
so good.
Like they are very heavy, but I think for weddings or for any festives, they look just so good.
Like I was confused, like all the chain were tangling,
Okay,
so yeah. So I have to be really careful.
But these come with kundans here, and it is surrounded with some pearls. I think this is just gorgeous.
Also, the good part is that you can separate these chains.
Yeah. The best thing about this earring is that you can separate these chains. If you don't want to wear something heavy, then you can just separate this and only wear these earrings.
And what about quality?
Okay, the quality, I think for the price, it's so good.
Yeah,
I think it's worth the price.
Yeah? So I think you will love this one. Ooh, like look at how huge these are. Okay, so we wanted
something like jhumka. We don't have anything in jhumka.
Yeah. So we wanted this for silly long, but these turned out to be really big. And guess the price. Guess the price and comment now.
Yeah, you have to comment us and you have to guess the prices. Let's see.
3, 2, 1. Okay. So these are for $199. Like look at that size. Like these are really huge, and for $199, kahan milta hai bhai? And they are like, the one thing I did not like this. They are a bit heavy. But
yeah, when you wear it, it feels heavy.
Heavy, yeah.
Ears, it
drags
also
down,
pains.
yeah.
But I think they are very big compared to what we
Others.
saw in the Amazon. But compared to it's very big.
And what about recommendation? I will highly recommend because
for
$199 you're getting such a big and huge.
Okay, now it's my turn. So the next jewelry is from Zenime. I don't know I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but yeah. Okay, next one is a set. It's a jewelry set.
Packaging, most of them are from the cardboard packaging except the Vane ones, so that's why I'm impressed with them.
This is how it looks. It's a choker neck piece. I think it's in golden and with kundans and pearls. I don't know if you can capture it, but these are actually good.
And these are everywhere. Like you can see in most of the people
these
wearing them.
These are in Instagram. These are in Amazon, Flipkart. I've seen it so many times. but I thought like they are not too good to wear it. Like they may look cheap, but I think
Look
they
at
actually
that.
they are actually beautiful. Like
Yeah, they are really
actually
pretty.
beautiful. They doesn't even look like cheap.
Yeah. First of all, when we saw it, like,
They're very
and
good
how much
quality.
it? Like, really, it's for
It's very
$2.99. Yeah, it's like
It's
for
very
$2.99, affordable, like really affordable. For $2.99, you are getting this choker.
Beautiful choker, mang tika, and with two beautiful earrings. I think it's actually worth the price.
Yeah, worth like, definitely.
Yeah,
worth it.
definitely worth the price. It's available in many shades. Like it's available in silver, complete gold. Even
And
Kundans will change its
bronze
color.
look
Bronze
also,
look,
yeah.
rose gold type. I think I actually like this. You should try it out if you want to gift someone for Diwali festivities and also for weddings. They
Yeah,
actually look
weddings
good.
they look
because
good.
they come coming with a whole set.
So, thumbs up from our side. So, my turn.
Yeah.
This is a chota packet and bada dhamaka. Like, trust me. Okay.
Yeah.
So, these are the ones, and these are like 2 pieces in one. And yeah, let me show you. Stop it. Yeah. The one thing I like about all the earrings is that everything is extra stopper. So, these are like set. Wow, they कितने सुंदर लग रहे हैं कैमरा में.
Yeah.
Chandbalis.
Chandbalis.
So these are like really pretty Chandbalis. Look at them. Oh my god, I love them. These are like really pretty.
They're really beautiful.
And everything is like, oh, I observed one thing, like a lot of the products we bought are everything in like golden and white.
Gold and white and everything
Has
has
a
a
pearl.
pearl.
I don't know why
Nothing
we got
common,
it.
yeah.
I think
because they're actually suitable for all kinds
And they
of
attracted
colors.
us like so much, so that's why.
They're suitable for all
And the
colors.
best thing about these ones is that it comes with this. Oh my god, like beautiful. I'm loving them. I can't wait to wear them. By the way, that is the earring.
Yeah.
And so this is the mang tika you get with this, with the same designing going on as it is in the earring, and then you get this pearls like chain to hold on your hair. So, and these 2 earrings. So this is a set, and it was like for 250, no? Like 300 or so more. All the products that we are showing are all of them are for under like 350. Yeah, 350, not above than that. So like affordable, and I think for price this one is really good. Quality is good, and you're getting 3 things, like 2 things, earrings that are, first of all, they are really huge, and second of all, these mantika. So this is a really good thing, I
But
think.
I think for packaging is not that great.
Yeah, for price. So सब कुछ उल्टा हो रहा है, पता नहीं.
जब प्राइस कम हो रहा है तो पैकेजिंग अच्छी है, तो पैकेजिंग अच्छी है तो गाना भी लग रहा है.
हाँ.
Going with the next product, that is an oxidized jhumkas in blue color. I'm in love with the color. This is available in different colors like green and red, but I think I've attracted to this color, and this is from an Instagram store called
Shades of Happiness by Sneha or Neha. I'm not sure, but I'll mention the name in the description, so don't forget to check that.
you can match with any anarkali suits.
Yeah, and
that
that's
is
also
so good.
Yeah. And what is the price like?
The price is about like
150.
Yeah.
So 150 इतने बड़े झुमके, like, that's really
Oxide jewelry will suitable for most of the
Outfits.
kurtis and outfits. So you guys have to try them. Also see these in our Instagram where we have posted a reel.
Yeah. Showing, all
showing
of
all the earrings from this Instagram store. So do check it out.
So next up, the last one from my side are these beautiful earrings. What are these called? Like Chandwalis or what are these? I don't know.
Chandwalis, I guess.
Chandwalis?
Yeah,
No.
hangings, like Chandwalis.
No, like we are confused. We don't know the names. So
But
let me
these
check
are
it out
also
for you guys. Oh my god, like look at that. Oh my god, these are really pretty. The one thing I love about the earrings is that when you have these chutku wale pearls, it makes the earring really pretty and beautiful. And these are like in like red, pink, rani pink.
They are Rani pink.
Rani pink, fuchsia pink kind of shade stones over here, and here we have like cute little stone. It's in a really unique design. You don't find it anywhere outside with this, something like hanging curve going on. Then you have this one. Then you have this pretty, what is this called? Like pearls wala something. So I love this one, and these are from Amazon as well. And these were for like 250 something. No, 250. No,
A bit expensive.
Yeah, a bit expensive from all the products because these are just earrings, first of all, and you get earrings for 250 or nearly 300 is like overpriced, I think. But for design, it's good and everything is good.
Pretty actually.
Pretty, it's really pretty and it's really unique piece. But I think it's a bit expensive, but the quality is really good. And packaging was in this dabba. And these are from Zivari Pearls, and this is a very
Zivari
famous and
Pearls.
hyped brand, in
From Amazon.
So it's a really good, and you can literally see how beautiful it looks when you wear it. It's like really
It's
unique.
actually
Yeah,
beautiful.
I think Mera looks so weird. If you want something affordable, then no.
Then no, and we have actually shown you other jewelry which is affordable
Yeah,
at the
really
same time
affordable,
they
like
look good.
$199.
You guys can check those ones if
Yeah.
you don't want this.
This, but we can really go for this because these are really good.
Okay, so from my side, I'm going to
Last
show
one.
you the last
Yeah.
one. This is also from an Instagram store, the one which I'm wearing. Let me show you. This looks awesome. Like it's a like it comes with a jhumka. At the same time, there's a peacock. It's a peacock design.
It's a bird or peacock.
It's peacock. With different kundans like green, you have gold, you have pink and blue, and it comes with a beautiful jhumka.
Multicolored,
yeah, multicolored one, and they are big, but they are actually beautiful. They are not heavy at all. Most of
lightweight.
oversized jewelry are very heavy and actually cause pain, but these are very light. They're very lightweight and beautiful. Also is 150, and this is from an Instagram store, Shades of Happiness, Sneha or Neha, we don't know, but we will include the links in our description, so do check it out. And I think for the price they are very beautiful.
And this also has the ghunguru detailing,
Yeah.
so they kind of make a sound.
No, they are very light actually. Something that I like about these earrings, they are light.
This is it for today's video, guys.
I hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.
And don't forget to press the bell icon so that every time we upload a new video, you'll be notified. And do check our Instagram page, which will be in the link will be in the description box.
And remember, no crackers. Be safe and be at home and celebrate with your family.
And stay home and stay safe. I hope you guys will enjoy this Diwali series. This is our first attempt at doing any series. And do tell us which of the jewelry pieces was your favorite.
And there are a lot more coming up in Diwali series. So stay tuned with us.
Until then, stay tuned.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You